used for the longitudinal transport of reforested logs and native logs. Before going through the operation and maintenance of the equipment, check the owner's manual. Keep the set bracket on a flat and compact place. Collect the load braces. Randon makes the following models available. Release the brace from the ratchet. Release the extremity of the brace attached to the hook. Release the brace from the ratchet. Release the extremity of the brace attached to the hook. Go through the loading process following these recommendations. Do not hit the claw on the chassis and/or sides. Release the logs as close as possible to their support base. Be careful not to collide the log to the panels and sides, as this could damage the structure. To correctly accommodate the lot package and the load distribution of the set, verify the guidelines on the owner's manual. Go through the bracing of the load according to the model. Put the brace around the logs and attach the edge back to the hook. Remove the looseness of the brace. Start the valve that will promote the adequate squeeze of the logs. Put the brace around the logs and attach the edge back to the hook. Remove the looseness of the brace. Tension the brace. For more information regarding operation, load movement and maintenance, check the owner's manual. For unloading, go through the reverse process.